Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing the SanDisk Extreme SDXC UHS1 card reader. This card reader is very, very fast, and this is the only one that I use for my my cameras. So I have a camera, Canon 80D, and this works really well for it. It also works well for my G7X. It can also store the card. So you have this that can store the card, and it's a good card, and I absolutely love this card because this card, you can actually lock the card up by moving this section, the gray bar, moving it across. That will lock the card, and it's a very light card, very easy to use, and just slip the card right in there. Very, very easy, and just close it. So you can see now it's ready to go, and just turn on my camera, and my camera is ready to go.